Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Roop Sandhu. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this Indian wedding guest makeup tutorial, and because this is heavy, it's loaded, you can also wear it as Indian bridal makeup look, because why not. Also, I have used some new makeup products in this look which are from ColourPop, and because it's not available in India, I'm going to be mentioning some dupes of these eyeshadows and products, and also I'm going to be mentioning all the products that I'm using in the description box and also their links from where you can buy. So please make sure you check it out, and if you guys are not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and also click on the bell icon. And now we are going to start this tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to take a primer, and this one is by NYX. It's called Angel Wheel Primer. It's an amazing primer. So I'm just going to apply it on my areas where I have larger pores, under my eyes, nose, forehead, and then very gently I'm just going to spread it. So then after that I'm going to be taking a foundation. This one is by MAC, and I'll be taking this beauty blender. This one is by YSHE. It's an amazing beauty blender. So I'm just going to spread the foundation. First of all, I'm just going to apply the foundation with my fingers, and after that I'm going to be taking this beauty sponge and I'm just going to spread the foundation nicely. And after that I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'll be taking this brow product. This one is by ColourPop, and it's called Taken for Granite. It is an amazing product, guys. I have to say that I like it more than the ABH brow pomade. It's definitely an amazing product. So yeah, the shade Taken for Granite is perfect for my brows. If you can buy it, you can definitely go for this one. It's not very thick or thin product. It is just a perfect consistency for building your brows. So yeah, you can also use an eyebrow pencil. There are so many available in India. So yeah, this is how I'm going to do my brows, and after that I'm going to be just giving some strokes, and after that I'm just going to rub it off with a spoolie. And can you see, so pretty brows. And after that I'll be taking this concealer. This one is by MAC. It's their Prolong Wear Concealer, and I'm just going to apply some dots under my eyes just so that it can brighten up this area. I'm also going to apply some on my nose, my forehead, and I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. And after that I'll be taking the same beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it nicely. Please make sure that you blend this concealer immediately, because it's a very drying concealer. It dries out very quickly, so if you take some time in blending, it can leave some spots as well. So yeah, make sure you have to be careful about it. And after that I'll be taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer, because I take a little longer time to do my brows, and that's why I'm taking this concealer. I'm just cleaning off my eyebrows like this, and again taking that blender and just blending out the edges of this concealer. After that I'll be taking this loose finishing powder by Maybelline, and the shade is 20, and I'm just going to apply it wherever I applied the concealer and wherever I get sweat. So this is just going to mattify my face. And I'm also going to apply some on my eyelids and a little bit on my face like that. And after that I'm going to be taking this contour kit. This one is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to place some contour on the hollows of my cheeks like that, and I will be blending out later on. So I'm also contouring my nose. All the makeup brushes that I'm using are either by Shein or Puna store. I'm gonna mention the products and the links in the description box if you guys are interested in buying them. After that I'm going to be taking this big powder brush, and I'm just going to blend out the powders from my face. I'm not going to blend out the powders that I applied under my eyes. I'm just going to blend out the powders and contour. And after that I'm going to be taking this wet palette by Colourpop, and I'll be taking this nude eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids with a blending brush. And then I'll be taking this dark blue eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease, and very slowly I'm going to build up this crease shade, this crease line. I'm just going to build up slowly. So this is not a very highly pigmented eyeshadow, it needs to be built up, so you have to work a little more to make it look a bit darker. If you guys want to make it look really dark, you can just apply it directly on the concealer without setting it, and that is going to give you a nice intensity. And after that I'm going to be taking a blending brush. This one is by Puna store, and I'm just going to blend out this eyeshadow. I will not be taking any extra product on this brush. And after that I'm going to be adding some more blue eyeshadow, and then again I'll be taking the blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this eyeshadow. And after that I'm going to be taking this NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to cut the crease like this. And the brush that I'm using is an angled brush. Yeah, this is how I'm going to cut the crease. And after that I'm just going to fill up all this place. I'm not removing the blue eyeshadow because the silver eyeshadow is just going to cover up everything. And after that I'll be taking this silver eyeshadow from the same palette, and you guys can see this is super pigmented. It is so soft and so pigmented, love it. So I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids like this. And now I'm just applying the dark blue eyeshadow right in the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just blending it just so that there are no harsh edges. And after that I'm going to be applying this blue eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well, like that. And now that I'm done with the eyeshadow part, I'm just going to show you the dupes of this palette. So this is by Revolution Pro, and the palette's name is called Trends Mischief Mattes palette. It's a beautiful colorful palette. It is a bit powdery, but you can work with it. So these are the two shades, one is purple and one is blue. You can take this. And for silver I have the pack, the ultimate shadow box. I think it's called the smoky shadow palette, and this is the silver shade which can be a perfect dupe for the Colourpop one. So now I'm just going to show you guys how they look on my arm. I have put some concealer on my arm, and this is the swatch of the blue eyeshadow. You can build it, I mean you have to build it. And this is the silver eyeshadow. And I'm just going to show you guys the picture. This is without the flash and this is with the flash, and it's perfect. And now coming back to our tutorial, I'm going to be taking this Nykaa Get Inked sketch eyeliner. This is an amazing sketch eyeliner. So I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner. You guys can take any of your favorite eyeliner. And after that I'm going to be taking this NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is also an amazing mascara, perfect for wispy lashes. So I'm just going to apply it on my upper and lower lashes like this. And after that I'm going to be putting on these false lashes by PAC. These are M79. And after that I'm just going to dust off the powders that were there under my eyes, and this is also going to remove all the fallouts that occurred while applying our eyeshadow. And after that I'm going to be taking this highlighter. This one is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to apply it on my higher points of my face. That is my cheekbone, my forehead, my chin, cupid bow, nose, inner corners of my eyes. I'm just going to apply it there. And for my waterline I will be taking this Kylie Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. And for lips I'll be taking this beautiful nude shade. This one is also by Kylie Cosmetics. The shade is called Twinning. Yeah, the shade is called Twinning. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips like this. And I'm not using lip liner because I don't like to use that. So yeah. And after that, I'm going to be wearing this beautiful jewelry. I bought it from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link of this also in the description box. So yeah, please make sure you check it out as well. And I'm just wearing the earrings, which is not possible like this. I have to do it off camera. And also guys, don't forget to apply some compact on your neck, some compact or some foundation. Don't forget to do that as well, so that you know your um, neck matches your face, which is important. And now this look is absolutely complete. If you guys wish, you can wear it with open hair, and if you guys wish, you can do a pony, you can tie your hair, you can do a bun, and it's just gonna look really pretty, really classy. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. If you guys would like to see more such Indian wedding guest looks, some more festive looks, I would love to do them. Please leave some comments in the description box. I would love to read them. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Love you guys a lot. Bye.